The human body is a highly complex and sophisticated biological system. It's comprised of approximately 50 trillion cells. These are the basic structural and physiological units of life. Cells perform essential functions including growth, healing, defense, storage, structural support, communication, perception, and reproduction. They do it all. They power life. Cells are both distinct entities and the building blocks of more complex organisms. Cells are built from molecules. Tissue is groupings of similar cells with coordinated functions. Organs combine several tissues that function together and comprise systems. Organisms are recognizable self-contained individuals. The fuel of our body comes from food. It provides the energy that powers our thoughts and actions. What we eat is processed and the nutrients removed, and then the waste is discarded. Metabolism is the sum total of all the chemical transformations and other work done in the cell. All of the biochemical reactions that go on in cells are linked. The products of one are the raw materials of the next. Sometimes the connections are direct and linear, like glycosis. Some biochemical pathways are circular and loop around onto themselves, like the Calvin cycle or the citric acid cycle. These complex networks must be integrated and precisely controlled, or they result in disease. The metabolic process involves breaking down the food and transforming it into molecules and ultimately cells that power the body. Catabolic reactions break down complex molecules into simpler ones and release the energy stored in chemical bonds. These actions or reactions that release free energy are exergonic. Anabolic reactions link simple molecules to form more complex molecules. They require input of energy and capture it in the chemical bonds that are formed. Reactions that require or consume energy are endergonic. Anabolic and catabolic often linked. Energy from catabolic used to drive anabolic reactions. Energy, the capacity to do work, or in biological systems, the capacity for change. It comes in two forms: potential energy, or the energy of state or position. It's stored energy, such as chemical bonds.
I'm going to pause.